Hi, I'm Sharon from Sharon, Dudley Wellbeing. On this channel, I share information on how to be happy, healthy, and comfortable through meditation, breath practices, yoga, nature, and thought habits so that more people can experience well-being every day. So one thing that kept me from having a sense of well-being is I tend to be a worrier. Are there any worriers out there? Well, here is a short meditation on how to not worry. So find a comfortable seat, propping yourself up with pillows, blankets, maybe sitting in a chair, whatever is most comfortable for you. Get settled in. If you need to get up and go get a pillow or a blanket or something, go ahead and do that right now. And while you're doing that, choose a mantra, because we're going to be using a mantra here. And this is something that might be personal to you. I'm going to be using the word love, but you can use whatever mantra that you want. The mantra is, well, first of all, words are things, thoughts are things. So whatever we are putting out is energy that's going out. So what do we want to put out? But it also helps bring awareness to your meditation. All right, so getting comfortable, go ahead and breathe deeply, slowly, eyes closed if you can, or soft gaze. And take at least 3 breaths. So just noticing the breath as it comes in and out of your body. Sometimes it helps to imagine you're breathing in and out of your heart center. Now say your mantra silently or out loud. So breathe love in, or whatever your mantra is. Breathe love out. Love in, love out. Love in, love out. Continue this, just saying your mantra in as you breathe in, and again as you breathe out. Love in, love out. Now give gratitude for one thing. More than one thing is good, but all we need for this meditation is just one thing. One thing that you're grateful for. Say this silently or out loud. I am thankful for. You fill in the blank. Now check in with your body. You may notice at this point you're feeling a little calmer. You may be feeling a little different than when you first started. Now I'll give you a little tip. Step 1, just tuning into your breath automatically brings the stress down. Now I'm going to throw in one more little thing in here that might help with your worry. And that's asking yourself, what can go right today? What can go right? And go ahead and list all those things that can go right today, instead of focusing on the things that might not go right today. take a moment and do this. All right, take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Remember, the word of the day is, what can go right? You can join me back here for more meditations. And I'll leave you with, let's see, a message for today. What would be a good message for today? Let me look through my book. My book is my meditation journal, and the things that come out of my meditations. Message for today. Love and light. That is your mantra for today. Return to this thought through the day. So I am love, I am light. Take that with you as you go about your day, and may you have peace and well-being